Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to change the temperature on ELECTROLUX Comfort 600. So, first, you need to power on your AC with this button. I maybe missed 2 times. And now, here we have a plus and a minus button, and here how much temperature. So it's 32 degrees, now it's 31, 30, 29, and again 30, 31, ATC. So remember that the cool mode maximum is 32 and minimum is 16. The fan mode, it's just 20, you can't change it. Dry mode is 20. And the auto, it's 16 and 32. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.